Can you drink apple cider vinegar during fasting? When your body doesn't have enough carbohydrates to burn for energy, a process known as ketosis takes place. Instead, it burns fat to produce what are known as ketones, which it can then use as fuel. Your body stays in a state of ketosis as long as you maintain a low carbohydrate consumption. The amount of carbs in a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar is 0.1 grams. Additionally, it just consumes 3 calories overall. It is therefore clear that drinking apple cider vinegar while fasting will not break the fast, especially if it is diluted with water before drinking, which is always advised. So the answer is yes. You can drink apple cider vinegar during fasting. Do you use it while fasting? Let us know in the comments. If you want more information, read the description down below, or watch this next video.